the file en Linux. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons voir ensemble comment utiliser Linux. Mbuti bande kunisubuza kulandanga na auto zanangonga ekokanate lelo na kutangisa bino to kulakisa bino ndingi to créer ka file na Linux. Alors sobozana ba mituna bo tindelanga yango après. Merci mingi. So we're gonna create the file, okay? So what we have to do here, we create a directory already, okay? Now we're gonna create a file. So go to create a piece of file. To go na biso hour, to click hour. To ye hour, to go fungula a partir hour. Problem is that, okay? To be to go fungula na biso ngo a partir ya hour pe problem is that. So click nango, click hour, go fungula ngo pe problem is that, okay? So just gonna go here. Hour, where we fungula ngo hour, okay? This is the one we're gonna use. Alors, si go a partir hour, so to combine biso else. Tuzana nini te na file te. We don't have any file here right now, okay? So we're gonna create a file, okay? We can use the cat command, this command. We can use this, or we can use the touch, okay? The touch. We can also use the other one we call this echo, okay? We can use this one, okay? Let's say, for example, I wanna, let's say echo, let's say we wanna create the file called Congo, okay? So we can use touch. We can use this, and we call this Congo. Okay. Right, else. See, Congo is right here. Okay. You guys can see the differences between when you take a look the color. This one is white, it's a file. This one is blue, it's a directory or folder. Okay. Now let's clean this. Let's create Angola, okay? We're gonna use touch, okay? And we call this Angola, okay? Right there, okay? And we put else. See, Angola is right here, okay? And let's say else. See, we got Angola, we also got Congo, okay? Now let's clean this. Let's create let's call this Egypt. Okay, Egypt right here, it's a file, okay? And then see, we got Angola, Congo, Egypt, okay? And then else, okay? All right, let's clean this. Sorry. Now let's create let's call this Russia. Okay, we're gonna call Russia cat. We call this Russia. Okay. Now to get out on this, we can tap something. We can tap something inside if you want. Let's say, for example, let's say my name is Dylan, and my name is Eric, and I president in Russia. Okay, to get out on this, you need to hold Control and D. Okay, so when you go enter, Control and D, okay? You tap that, you get out there, okay? And let's say else. You see, Russia is right there. Russia is right there, okay? It's right there. So when you wanna get out and you save it, it's right there. So if for example we go to let's see, let's say that we go here, click on it. You see, we have a folder, I mean directory and the file. Now when we go inside of Angola, nothing's there. Inside of Angola, we don't have that a lot of stuff there inside of it. When you click on it, not really. But if you go inside of Russia, you see my message is right there inside. My name is Eric and I reside in Russia. You see? So let's create another one. Let's create the other file. Okay, let's call this China. So we're gonna go cat. Okay, this. Okay, and we're gonna use this one. Okay, let's this one's EOF, and then we're gonna tap China. Sorry, China, and then this, and then when we tap enter here, we're gonna start typing. My name is Gillen Pindi. Enter. I have been living in, let's say, Hong Kong, since 1999. Okay, enter, and then you start tapping again. I can say I am. Let's say I am a full-time student and full-time student employee. Okay, you go enter again. So you keep it going on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. So let's say for example, you tap enter. Let's say for here in this case, if you tap OE or F, right, and enter, you get out there. That's how you get out there. You have to type that. Okay, you have to type that. So in case we wanna see what we type, we wanna see our file ls, right, is right there. China is right here. And because since we create just a file today, okay, just a file, I'm gonna show you different way of seeing the text inside of the file. Okay, so we're gonna go inside here. Okay, let's say for example we go, let's close this for now. Okay, we go here inside, okay, and this is what we created. This is what we have here. Okay, this is what we have. We have Africa, America, Asia, Australia, Europe. These are the directory or file folder. When you take a look, the color is different. Now, when you take a look, if we go inside of China, we click on it. You see, this is what I wrote. My name is Gillen. I have been living in Hong Kong since 1999. I'm full-time student and employee. Okay, so when you take a look, this is what I put here. Just to write something, So, and let's see. Let's go back. Let me go back here. If we click back here, right? When you're clicking, make sure you're in the right place. So let's see. Let's create Israel. Let's Israel. So in Israel, I can use echo. If I go, for example, echo, okay, I type that, okay, and let's say that I type this my name is Paul. Okay, my name is let's say my name is Paul. Okay, put like that. Okay, and now let's put my name is Paul. I live in, let's say Kalama, Michigan. Okay, something like this. Okay, now when you finish, don't forget to put this. Okay, don't forget, please. Okay, so if you take a look, we can fix this a little bit here. We go like this. Okay, like that, and then take a look. Now, don't forget to create the. We're gonna call this what the name of this? Let's call this Israel. Okay, something like this. Okay, and let's go this. Okay, like that. Now, when you finish, okay, when you finish this, enter. Okay, and let's say, for example, I use cat. You see, cat, and then I type Israel text. Okay, right there, the message, right there, right there. So that's how we create it. Okay, we use that command. Now let's say we wanna create the other file. Let's clean this. Oh, sorry, clean this. Oops. Let's call this let's use touch. Let's call this Germany text. Okay, and else Germany, where's Germany? It's right here. Okay, but nothing is inside of Germany. Okay, inside of it there's nothing if you click on it. So let's call the other one let's touch. Let's call this France. Okay, text. Else, where's France? France is right here. Okay, let's clean this and let's call this. Let's if you take a look, we have a lot of file here. We got Angola, we got China, we got Congo, we got Egypt, France, Germany, Israel, Russia, and then let's clean this for now. Let's create another one called Dutch. Let's create UK. Text. Else. You see, UK is right here. UK is a file. It's not a folder. Okay, it's a file. This all this UK is a file. Russia is a file. France is a file. Germany is a file. Israel is a file. Egypt is a file. Congo is a file. China is a file. Angola is a file. Now let's create another one. Let's call this create touch. Let's clean this. Touch. Let's call this Canada. Okay. else Canada is right here. Okay, and let's clean this. Let's call this Mexico. Mexico. Okay, else Mexico right here. Okay, let's clean this. Sorry. Oops. Let's call this let's call this state or US touch, and okay, else. So we have a lot of file. If you take a look, a lot of file we got right here.